Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another tutorial. This is Panak here. So in this tutorial, we're designing this kind of flyer. I just finished designing this on Pixel and PixArt. So how can we achieve this using Pixel Lab and Snapseed? Yeah. So but I'll be doing a little bit of innovation to this design. Yeah. So watch out. Now welcome back, guys. Now this is your Pixel app interface. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to delete this, and then we have to work on our background. But in this tutorial, we're working with a plain white background. So you're going to go to your background and we'll go to color, and we'll click on your color, and we're going to choose a plain white color. Which is this exactly. So we have a plain white color. Next, we're going to do now, we are going to be merging a background to this. We are going to be merging an image to this background. So we are going to be merging the image of a building. So let's go to an image of a building. So let's go. Okay. So this is our background. So we are going to rotate this, and we have it here. So next thing, okay. Now next thing we are going to do now, we are going to increase the size. Now, mind you, in the one I designed previously, which is this particular one, yeah, this is the one I designed previously before this video, and as you can see, the background is the image here is up here, but we're doing a slight change to this design. We are going to do a slight change to this design. We are going to turn it upside down instead. So let's do that. Yeah, so you have it like this. So we are going to turn it upside down, and we are going to merge this particular background. But first, let us edit this. We are going to remove the color. Let's go to color filter, hue 0, saturation 0, brightness a little bit, and contrast a little bit also. So next we are going to do now, we are going to blend it. So how do we blend it? We go to our shapes, and we go to our gradient, which is a black and white, and click on this particular one and duplicate. Next thing I'll do is to centralize, to merge them together. And once I do that, I'll have to merge them together. Merge them together. So once I've done merge them together, now I can now erase color. I will go to erase color. Click on your erase color, increase your tolerance, and now I will give it a color. That is color will be white. So that, yeah, because my background is white, so the color has to be white. So for me to effectively blend. Now you have to blend in such a way that you see this lining. It becomes invincible. So you just have to make sure that that's how your blending is. So let's see. So yeah, as you can see now, it is now nice. So we are going to leave it like this. Yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. We're going to leave it like this. Now next we are going to do now, we are going to include our image here of the man praying. So we have him here. So click on OK. So next thing we are going to do, we are going to edit him. Yeah, we are going to remove the color and increase the brightness as usual. And create a kind of contrast. So we have it as here. So next we are going to do, we now have to blend this particular image. We have to blend this particular image to the background. So let's centralize. And we are going to blend. So how do we blend? We go to this particular one here. This particular one that we did before. We can just duplicate it. Yes. Duplicate it and reduce the size to fit in here. Yeah. Because this has to blend, we use this particular faded image here. So instead of doing another one, we can just use the one that we have done before. So we are going to duplicate it again, and to make it sure that it's perfect. So we have something like this, and so we are going to lock it in. So we have it here. So next we are going to now do is let's now add our text. Let's now add our text. let's now add our text. Let's reduce the size of this man. Yeah, so this is okay. So let's just centralize him. Okay, yeah, this is okay now. So now let's add our text. Now in this my previous design, I used a very long font here, very long font. So we can, sorry, let's log this in. So we can try to use something different, or see if we can still use this particular this same font for this here. So we can try to design exactly what I designed here, or we can try out something different since we actually change the orientation of this particular image here. So let's try and change the font that we'll be using. So now let's go to our text and let's write which is nations, and we'll go to our font. Let's go to our font, and now instead of choosing that long font, we are going to choose, let's say, monument. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, because this is so it will not interfere with this certain background. We are going to use something like this. So now let's increase the size. Okay, and put it over here. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Now next thing, let's give it the color. So I'm going to just give like the middle alphabet, 3 of them. We're going to give this color. Yeah, so this is what we're giving it. So now let's add one more text. Prayers. And we'll choose the same monument but different. Let's choose monument. Let's choose monument. So we'll just give it a color. So we'll give it the color. Just centralize. So we see we are doing something different. So we are going to add the text and that text which reads for rather. And let's see how can we give this text. So let's see. Let's try the same monument. So monument, and let's choose a white color. Okay, how do we do this here? Okay, we choose a orange color and a white background. Let's see. Orange color and a white background. So we're going to centralize. This is the size. This is the size for that. Okay, now let's see how it looks like with the background. Doing the padding, left padding and right padding. Okay, how does it look like? Let's see. Okay, I think this is okay here, like this. So this is okay. So the next thing we'll be dealing with is we are going to start adding some of other elements also. Like our logos. Let's start adding our logos. So our flags. Let's just put it at strategic position before we take them to the back. As you can see, let's start adding them. Just okay, let's copy this. Let's see, add like 2 more countries. So we have South Africa here. And let's add 1 more country. Ghana. So just cut like this. Okay, now we can now take them to the back to see how it looks like. Just take this at the back. At the back of the man. So it looks as if it's appearing at the back of the man. Okay, now we have something here. This blending is kind of overshadowing a lot, so let's just reduce the size. And this particular one, let's reduce the size to the size of the man. Okay, now let's see what we did. Okay, let's just increase this, and also increase this. Just put it down here and put this particular one down here. And we're going to locate in. But now these countries, Rwanda and Nigeria, we're going to take it a bit up. And we're going to reduce the size. Same thing with Rwanda. and take South Africa, reduce the size, but take it higher. Ghana, reduce the size, but take it higher. Yeah, so we are done. Okay, now the next thing, let's change this font. Let's just use the other font that we used in my previous design. Let's use that's typo longest here. Yeah, but we are going to make some edits here. So just increase the size of this. Just increase the size and put it over here. Yeah, we're going to put it over here. So we're going to put it over here, and take it to the back of the man. Yeah, take it to the back of the man. Take this one higher. Reduce size. But we're going to centralize. Let's make this the font more bolder. Monument. But let's use another font. Let's use Sequel low. Yeah. So I'm going to use this, yes. And this your 4. This one 4. We are going to just increase the size. Increase the size of the increase the size and just centralize it. Take it high a bit. Take it high a bit, and now the padding, you have to be careful about the padding. Yes. Now let's okay, let's just reduce this now. Now let's not centralize. They are now at same level. Okay, now these nations is not centralized. Okay, yes. So we have it here. But this your off is not properly, so let's just increase the padding a bit. Okay, no, not this. The background padding. And let's increase the padding. Left and right. Okay. Yeah, so now this font is not we are using Sequel, but this is a monument, so let's just change it to Sequel. Yeah. Let's change the Sequel. Okay, now that's the pattern has increased, so let's just reduce it. That is the white pattern. Yeah, so you have to just be careful with what you're doing. Okay, now we are done with this. So now let's add more elements, like the logo. Let's add more elements. So I'm using this font, this logo. So okay, we can't have a circular one here, so let's just click on this, and we are going to erase the color, erase the background. So yeah, so just reduce the size and take it over here. Yeah, but it's not properly showing, so we are going to include a white background to the text. So let's go to shape, and we're going to choose a color, white color, and just take it over here, centralize. The same thing to our text. We're going to centralize. Okay, now take it higher, and just take it high. Let's just reduce the size more. Okay, now this is okay now. Yeah, so we have it here. let's just do some few edits. Taking this tool down a bit. So we are going to just take this a bit down. Okay, okay. Let's reduce the size of the text. Nations, yes. Give this a background. Let's give it white. Let's do the background as the color of the background. Let's just do a little tweaking. Make it gradient, but we are going to add we are going to have 3 sliders. This particular slider will be totally white, while the others we are going to make it kind of transparent. Kind of transparent here. So we have something like this. So you see the background is just increase. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Okay, so now let's add the final text and all. Let's add the final text and you have it here. And just go to your font. Go to your font, and since we are using Sequel, so let's just use Sequel font here. We're going to do something lighter, but this particular one we're going to do something bold. Yes, so we are going to now reduce the size. Reduce the size, and we're going to centralize it. We're going to align it to the center. Align to center, put it at the center, centralize it, and give it the color. But this time we are going to just it will maintain the black color, but this one we are going to change the color to this, and we're going to create an outline. So let's just create a shape. Reduce your opacity to 0, so you have something like this. So we need something like this. So we are going to increase we're going to give it a stroke, but this time we are going to reduce increase the curve, the radius, and let's say give it the stroke color. So you have something like this, and what we are done. So it's just a very simple design. So let's now save and stick to our final editing. So we're going to save as image. So now let's take it to Snapseed for our final editing. So you open your Snapseed and you import the particular image here. So we go to our tool and we're going to go to curve. So we're going to give it an S curve. Go high here and go low here, so it looks like an S. So you have it as that here. So just click on what you're okay. Yeah, so as you can see now let's now add details. So just include the structure. So I have included the structure. So this is nice. So let's just click on what you're okay. So you have this. So these are our initial, and this is what now our final. So this is now okay. So now let's we are going to export, and we are going to take it to Pixel Lab to give it a little bit of toning. To Pixar to give it a little bit of toning. So we have this here. So next we are going to go to FX. To give it a bit of noise. Look at this noise here. So I have something like this. So next thing, just click on this particular one to actually save. And then next thing we're going to do now, we now have to give it like a bit of thing, which is dodger. Yeah. So I'm going to dodger. So I have this particular one here. So you can decide to increase or reduce it depending on what you want. So you can try to reduce the fading. So once you are done, just quickly save, and what we are done with our design. So see you in the next video.